Hi guys, Cody here with EdgeProInc.com, and today we're going to talk about the difference between a stone blank and a polish tape blank. We're going to begin with the stone blank, which is used only for mounting a stone on. So, the stone blank is a 1/8 thick by 1 inch wide piece of aluminum extruded bar. And we cut them down to 6¼ inches in length. And then we cut these little 45-degree bevels on each end of the stone blank so that the stone holders on the stone arm will hold them. Next we have the polish tape blank, specifically used for holding a polish tape. Now, this one is a little bit different because it's a fully machined piece of aluminum. And so we've machined them to make sure that the surface that you attach the polish tape to is going to be as flat as possible. Now you're going to notice that the polish tape blank and stone blank are the same in length and width, but the polish tape blank is twice as thick as the stone blank. Now the reason why it's twice as thick is so that when you transition from your 1000 grit stone onto your polishing tapes, that you're going to get minimal angle change. And that's why you don't want to mount a polish tape on a stone blank. If you're going to be using multiple polishing tape grits, it's a really good idea to get one polish tape blank for each grit that you're going to use. If you're going to be using just the 2000 and 3000 grit tape, you need 2 polish tape blanks so that you're not going to be constantly peeling the polishing tapes on and off of the blank. So now you guys know the difference between a stone blank and a polish tape blank, but if you have any more questions, feel free to give me a call or send an email to info@edgeproinc.com.